Imagine this: you have a great idea for a video. Maybe it's for YouTube, your business, or even just a personal project. You sit down, excited to bring your vision to life, only to hit a wall. The software you need costs hundreds of dollars, the learning curve is steep, and the editing process is painfully slow. Sound familiar? For years, professional video editing required expensive software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. These tools are powerful, no doubt, but they come with hefty price tags, require high-performance computers, and demand a lot of time to master. Today, we're diving deep into the best AI video editing tools that are replacing expensive software. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who wants to edit videos without the hassle, these AI tools will change the way you work. The AI revolution in video editing. Before we jump into specific tools, let's talk about how AI is reshaping video editing. Traditional editing requires manual work, trimming clips, adjusting colors, syncing audio, adding effects, and so on. AI, on the other hand, automates many of these tasks. With AI, you can automatically remove silences from your video to make it more engaging, generate subtitles in multiple languages with near-perfect accuracy, apply professional-grade color correction with a single click, use AI-generated B-roll to fill gaps and make your content more dynamic, automatically resize videos for different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, enhance low-quality footage and stabilize shaky videos instantly. These innovations are making video editing more accessible than ever. Now, let's explore the best AI tools that can replace expensive software. 1. Runway ML, the AI video editor of the future. Runway ML is one of the most powerful AI-driven video editing tools available. Unlike traditional software, it operates entirely in the cloud, meaning you don't need a high-end computer to use it. Why it's a game changer. AI-powered background removal. Instantly remove backgrounds without a green screen. Text-to-video editing. Simply describe what you need, and Runway ML makes it happen. Super slow motion. Convert standard videos into ultra-smooth slow-motion clips. Object removal. Remove unwanted objects or people from footage seamlessly. For creators looking for an affordable alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro, Runway ML is a solid choice. 2. Descript. Edit videos like a document. Descript is a revolutionary tool that changes the way we edit videos. Instead of working with timelines and keyframes, you edit your video like a text document. Why it's unique. Automatic transcription converts speech into text instantly. Overdub AI voice cloning. If you make a mistake, you can generate a new voiceover without re-recording. Silence and filler. Word removal erases and long pauses automatically. Screen recording and podcast editing, perfect for content creators who need an all-in-one tool. 3. Pictory AI. Turn text into professional videos. Pictory AI is perfect for marketers, bloggers, and educators who want to create professional-looking videos without spending hours editing. Key features. Text-to-video conversion. Simply input a script, and Pictory generates a video with stock footage, music, and subtitles. Automatic video summarization. Converts long-form content into bite-sized clips. AI-powered captioning. Generates accurate subtitles for accessibility and engagement. Voiceover generation. No need to record, just type your script, and AI does the rest. For those who create video content regularly but don't want to invest in expensive software, Pictory is a must-try. 4. WiseCut, the AI video editor for quick, automatic edits. WiseCut is designed for those who need fast, automatic editing without technical skills. Why it stands out. Auto-cut silences, removes awkward pauses to keep your video engaging. Voice recognition, edits videos based on your speech, so you don't need to cut clips manually. Background music generation, adds AI-generated music that adjusts to your video's length. Automatic subtitles, makes your content accessible to a global audience. If you want a fast, automated editing experience without complex tools, WiseCut is the perfect alternative to traditional software. Final thoughts: the future of AI in video editing. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here, and it's revolutionizing video editing. These tools are making professional quality editing accessible to everyone, whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator. As AI continues to evolve, video editing will only become more intuitive, efficient, and cost-effective. The need for expensive software is fading, and new possibilities are emerging. Imagine a world where you can create an entire video by simply describing your vision. AI is making that possible. So, if you've been hesitant about video editing because of cost or complexity, now is the time to explore AI-powered solutions. They're fast, easy, and in many cases, completely free. Which AI tool are you excited to try? Let's embrace the future of video editing because the days of expensive software are numbered.